ask me what it means. For a housing project to sell out in just 18 days, I would tell you one thing. It means that people recognize true value when they see it. You've witnessed the truly transformational journey of Lekki Havana. You saw how 3-bedroom bungalows were fully sold out. Now, what you probably didn't see is that while we're doing the groundwork to bring you the Phase 2, eager subscribers joined the waiting list for Lekki Havana Phase 2. You asked for a second phase. You waited for it. Now it's time to come on board the second phase of the finest resort estates. With over 80 units already in the roofing stage and the first allocation just right around the corner, we are now ready to embark on the second phase of this journey. Located just 10 minutes away from Lekki Havana Phase 1, this second phase also sits in the heart of billions of dollars of government and private investment you're already familiar with, promising an even bigger, better, and more refined living experience. With the Lekki International Airport 5 minutes away from here, traveling anywhere in Nigeria or even the world is going to be seamless. Coming to Lekki Havana Phase 2 are more housing options to choose from. We have the 3-bedroom bungalow with a pool or the 3-bedroom bungalow without a pool. You can also choose the 4-bedroom bungalow with a pool or the 4-bedroom bungalow without a pool. Now here is the good news. We have seen the demand, and just before the official launch, we have decided to open the gate just a little. Wondering what it is to open the gate a little? Here it is. With 1 million naira refundable deposit, you can now key into Lekki Havana Phase 2 just before the official launch. This will take you from the pool of waiting subscribers and put you in a place where you no longer panic or rush. The countdown to the launch of Lekki Havana Phase 2 is officially on, as the result right here at Lekki Havana Phase 1 speaks for itself. Make sure you do not miss out this second time by keying into one of the units with the 1 million naira refundable deposit before the official launch to experience this truly magical journey.